Three clear signs that the person you are staying with has tied down your glory, has tied down your life, and is benefiting from your destiny, is benefiting from your star. And based on this, he does not want you to leave. He has tied you down. There are several reasons that makes people to stay with their fellow. Some did not bargain or plan to stay with their fellow, but condition make them to stay with their fellow. There are so many reasons, so many reasons. When somebody lost his parent or her parent, he can decide to stay with his uncle or his auntie. Some decide to stay with their friends, pending when they get what they need. So if for some reason you find yourself staying with somebody and you notice this attitude in the life of the person, they have tied you down, they don't want you to leave. They are using something against you, right? They are bewitching you, and as long as you remain there, you are going to be barren. You are going to be fruitless. You are not going to rise and fulfill your destiny. Take note of these three signs. Take note of these three signs. You can't afford to miss this message for any reason in this world. Like the video, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep mystery to come, because here in this place I'm ready to expose so many things that the enemy are doing against their victim. All right, so please, as you watch, make sure you share the link with somebody at the end of the video. All right, so what are the signs that the person you are staying with has tied you down? Beloved, before I mention these three signs, because I don't want this video to be too long, people accommodate their loved ones with different motive, some with good motive, while others with bad motive. And somebody who accommodate with evil motive, they are not going to come up to tell you that this is the reason why they accommodate you. No, they are going to display it and you will see it. And if you are careless, you are not spiritually inclined, you will still be there with them, and they are going to siphon you. They are going to drain you. They are going to use your destiny to enrich themselves, to rise to the top of their destiny. They are going to become great at the expense of making you useless. And when you notice these signs, run for your life. In the name of Jesus, anyone that is using your glory to shine, that tied you down, my God, deliver you from their hands in the name of Jesus. My God, deliver you from their nets in the name of Jesus. Restoration is coming your way as you listen to this message in the mighty name of Jesus. Number one signs, the person you are staying with has tied you down when they don't encourage you. When they don't encourage you. If you bring your plan before them, that is what you want to do. If you bring your plan, that is what you want to do. For example, you want to forward your education, you want to sign work, and you are like, I need your idea. You are not asking the person, I need your idea. What is your advice? If you notice that this person is negligent, is reluctant to reason with you, to discuss with you, this person is benefiting from you. It does not want you to leave. Some can decide to say, hold on, I will come back to attend to you. And you will wait and wait and wait. They will not give you any feedback. Yes, you are going to notice this. Some throughout the year or 6 months or 4 months staying with them, they will not bother to ask you your next move, your plan, what you are trying to do. They are just comfortable you staying with them because they knew what they are benefiting from you. Don't take this message for granted, please. When you notice this, start seeking the face of God for your life and plan to exit that home. The Bible tells us to seek to have the interests of others in our heart. So when the person you are staying with does not have your interests at heart, it is either they are, doing this out of ignorance, or they have tied you down. They are benefiting from your glory. Don't play with these very signs at all. Start planning on how you can live there. Number 2, when they increase your service in the house. If you discover that what you are doing in the house to their sight is not enough, and not that they are paying you, they are trying to kind of taking you as a house help, a house girl or a house boy, please plan to leave. If it has gotten to an extent where when the person returns from outside is now asking you to off the shoe from his or her leg when she's supposed to do that by herself. They want to turn you to something else. Don't tolerate it at all. This thing have affected one of my daughter in the Lord. The auntie, her own auntie that she's staying with, she decided to enslave her, tied her down, making her to serve like the Israelites in the land of Egypt. She make her to serve to the very point that this girl was confused. This girl was confused. Sometimes this auntie will return from outside and tell her to off her shoe with different occasion. Sometimes when she want to bathe, she will tell her to go and to come and sponge her back, and this is what some persons are passing through. If you notice this in life of those you are staying with, they are benefiting something from you. They are trying to enslave you. They are bewitching you. They are working against you. When they increase your labor, when they increase your service, when they want to turn you to a house care, plan to leave, plan to exit. Seek the face of God for divine direction. The last signs or attitude you are going to notice from anyone that have tied you down, you are staying with, is that they will hate you. They will hate you. Little thing you do is going to annoy them. They're not going to be friendly with you. What is not up to anger, they will pick it up and they will be angry with you. You serve them food, they will shout at you. Any little mistake that is not up to quarrel, they will start quarreling with you. They will be harsh at you. What is going on? They have bewitched you. They have tied you down. And if you did not plan to leave, as long as you are in that house, you are not going to excel. You are not going to grow. You are not going to grow. Yes. When they are no longer friendly, plan to exit. Plan to run for your life. And when you want to do this, don't tell them your next move. Otherwise, they may go against you and harm you. So if you notice these three signs from anyone you are staying with, please don't take these signs for granted. Number one, when they don't support your good plan to make your life better. Number two, when they increase your labor, your service. Number three, when they hate you, when the hatred increase, they have bewitched you. They are benefiting from your destiny. They are turning you to something else. I am praying for you right now that my God is showing you the way of escape, coming out from bondage, coming out from any imprisonment in the name of Jesus. Your destiny will not remain in that bondage. I set you free in Jesus' precious name. Tell us what stood for you in this very message. Are you passing through this? What is your experience? Tell us at the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more messages to come. Remain blessed.